Hello Kickserv users! Today I will tell you how the customer's notifications work. As discussed here on 2 quick ways to notify your customer, Kickserv offers the option to let your customer know when the technician is on their way and to notify the details of the appointment. When your customer receives a notification, if they want to write you back, they can do it in 2 different ways. Okay, so the first one is to reply back directly from their email, which you will receive in your reply to address. Just click on reply like we normally do it and then send it. And then the second one, if you contact them via message directly from the app, they can reply by clicking on the link on the email. Like this, we click on the link, the customer center opens, or they can go directly into the customer center, click on messages and open the message and reply from there. When a customer sends you a message from the customer center, you will get them in the messages tab at the bottom left of the main dashboard. When a new message arrives, a red dot will appear on the tab. For example, let's click on it and like this we can see like a preview of the notification. If we click on view all, we can see all of our messages. Here we have this one that haven't been read and we can click on it and here we have it. In here you will also receive the work requests made from your marketing page. Well, this is all for today. If you have any doubts, leave a comment and don't forget to give us a like. Bye bye!